Hey guys, welcome to my channel Touching Gears. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram. The link will be down in the description. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the unboxing. Today we have the Rynox Air GT gloves for riding. This is the gloves which is priced at Rs 2550. It is available in Amazon, Flipkart and also in the official site of Rynox, which is www.rynox.com. I got these gloves from openroad.in, which is the official site of open road riding gears. Opening the box, first of all we see the Rynox logo. With the gloves we get a lot of stuff from open road, which was not expected. These are the gloves. First impression is very good. It feels premium. Let's see what we have got. We got some Rynox stickers, open road riding gear card, some open road stickers. That's all. Now let's try out these gloves. I have got the M size. It fits perfectly, and for the first impression it really looks premium and also feels premium. It is difficult to detach the velcro for the first time, but it will be easy if you use it regularly. For your knowledge, it is CE certified, which gives an assurance of protection to your hands. It is comfortable, you can ride your bike very smoothly. It fits perfectly for me. Circumference for my hand is 8.5 inches. The first and the most useful feature of these gloves is the option of screen touch sensitivity, which can be useful for the riders while riding to navigate the maps. One can easily navigate using the index finger. Unfortunately, it is available only with index finger, not in thumb. The next feature of these gloves, it has knuckle protectors. And also all the other requirements which are required for a glove. As rightly said before, it is CE certified, which gives total assurance of protection. In this price range, it is the best of all. One more feature of these gloves are the lock system. You can use these pin locks to lock it with each other. For example, if you go in a ride and it is very much probable that you can lose one of the gloves, so for keeping both the gloves at same place, it is very much useful.